Hi, Ciprian.
Hi, Ovidiu.
The floor is yours.
Yeah, thank you. I'm waiting to see the presentation. Just a second. For me, it's still loading. I'm not sure how it's at your end.
Just a sec. We can see you in the presentation. Maybe you can rejoin. So
it's fine.
It's okay.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah,
okay.
now
okay.
it's loading.
Okay,
so
good.
Thank you. Together with my colleagues, I would like to present to you a case study related to the production system we have implemented in the Arctic factory at Ulm. First, let me share a few words about the client from this project. It seems I have some issues with I'm not sure if the slides are working for you, because for me it's locked.
We can see the project scope.
Oh, sorry, it went a little bit too far.
Our client, it's okay?
Okay, good. Sorry, I don't see it, so that's why, thanks. Our client is Arctic, part of Arçelik Group. Arçelik is a multinational company with the headquarters in Turkey, one of the leading manufacturers of household appliances in Europe. It has 23 production units and 20 research and development centers across the world, and it is active in over 100 countries. Arçelik owns 13 brands, among which Arctic, Grundig, Beko, and it has over 30,000 employees. Its yearly revenues are over 5 billion euro. In Romania, Arctic has 2 factories with over 4,000 employees in total. The new factory near Târgoviște, which this project is about and which you can see in the pictures, was built from the ground up in less than 2 years, in 2018-2019, on an area roughly the size of 100 football fields. Let me tell you also a few words about the scope of this project. Although Arçelik was already holding massive production facilities, none of them was using technologies belonging to the fourth industrial revolution. They realized that if they wanted to keep their market share, they had to adjust to the fast-changing economy by starting their journey to Industry 4. So Arctic collaborated with Accenture to build a new washing machine plant in Romania that would accelerate its digitalization and Industry 4 journey. The goal was to create a plant where to combine the best practices of the fourth industrial revolution, a large-scale pilot that will lead the digital transformation of the existing Arçelik plants and will serve as a beacon for industry. I have mentioned here SAP MES, and you have probably heard of SAP, but some of you might not be very familiar with the MES concept. So I would like to explain it a bit. MES stands for Manufacturing Execution System, and it represents solution for production. Sorry. This solution has a number of features and benefits that will become more clear as we'll dive deeper into the presentation. But for an easier understanding, just try to visualize the difference between an accounting company from 50 years ago, where everything was done on paper, and a similar company from our time where almost everything is done on computers. In a similar way, a factory using an MES will have a lot of advantages over one that is not using an MES. There are many MES solutions available on the market, but our client has chosen the one created by SAP, a company that is the market leader in enterprise application software. Before we go deeper into the actual solution that we have implemented in the Arctic factory, I would like to ask my colleague Peter to explain the architecture and general functionalities of SAP MES. Peter,